here we go. The market couldn't get enough of you. They bid for $7 billion. You only needed $2.25. Do you regret not going for more? Will you come back for more bonds? Good morning.
Good morning. Great to be here. No, we are very pleased with the reaction of the market to our bond raising. I think that we are very pleased with the trust. We may come back to the market if we increase the capacity of Leviathan. Basically, today, Leviathan have a capacity of 1.2 BCF a day. We have a 23 TCF of gas resources. So essentially, we have much more to come. Chevron kicking in into Leviathan is basically enhancing the capability of Leviathan partners to take Leviathan from the local and the regional to the global market through LNG facilities. So we're definitely looking into Chevron kicking in, farming in into our activity, and together taking Leviathan to the next stage.
I mean, earlier in the year, you revised guidance because of the impact of the coronavirus. A few months have passed since. I want to get a sense from you as to where you see the road headed now and whether you're perhaps more positive or more negative in terms of Israeli gas demand, in terms of the outlook for the market going forward.
Basically, during the lockdown in our relevant market, Israel, Jordan, Egypt, we reduced the guidance for this year. And now, after the lockdown, we are seeing the market going back to what we have been in January, February this year. We are very positive about the market. We are seeing back the growth and the demand in the market, and we are definitely expecting to go back to what we expected in a year or so, and to the full capacity of the markets.
Just on that note, you've obviously got contracts with Egypt, with Jordan, with Israel. Now, on the Leviathan field, 80% remains unsold. How close are you to changing that number, to selling more, new contracts, new deals?
Yeah. Egypt became a regional hub for natural gas in the region. It's not only Israel, it's expected to be as well Cyprus and obviously the Egyptian resources. Egypt could be the toll road of the East Med to the global market. They have two LNG facilities sitting currently idle within Egypt to export around 2 BCF a day. And definitely there's a wide potential for synergies between our activities and those LNG plants. But on top of it, we are evaluating the opportunity to build offshore Israel and FLNG that will allow us to reach the global market. That definitely will accelerate the monetization of Leviathan. Chevron kicking in basically bring to the partnership a lot of LNG capabilities that we have been lacking in the past. As I stated, in the end, Delek and Noble managed to develop a very robust local and regional market, but to take to the next stage, which is penetrating the global market with the LNG, we needed a big boy like Chevron, and we are very pleased and happy that they are coming to the table.
I mean, you've clearly got ambitions to continue expanding and perhaps helping with a much, much bigger goal for the government, which is to turn Israel into not just an energy hub, but an energy power, a heavyweight in this part of the world. What's going to be the next project that would help you sort of move towards that, would you say, that you can get involved with as well as Delek Drilling?
I think mainly the LNG project. I think that reaching the global market with natural gas from the region, so it doesn't matter if it's using onshore LNG existing facilities or building a new floating LNG, that will take the region to a next step and will allow monetization of Leviathan resources, and as well will accelerate additional exploration in the region. The region, I believe, still underexplored. There's much more to come here. We see ourselves as a main player in that activity, not only in developing what we have, but also exploring to more resources in the region.